What's up, guys? So here's a little update on the 20-inch bike I found in the alley. I went ahead and did some work to it, welded this around it. It's pretty cool, but I'm trying to do something with it. I ordered a Whitey Hunter kit for this bike also. I'm just using this for a mock-up for now. This is how far I've gotten so far. Just to gusset for support and to cover up that hole right there. I think that's all I'm gonna do on the bike today. I got a lot of welding up to do, but I'm trying to figure out how I should do the gas tank. So maybe should I do it the same way I did it on this bike, like this? I want to think of something different. Maybe you could post a comment with some ideas for the gas tank, where I should mount it. Thanks for watching.